Good day, sir. We're going to tackle about digital technology. What is digital technology? Digital technology is a broad category of tools, devices, and systems that use digital information and process to create, store, process, and display data. It includes a wide range of technologies from everyday device like smartphone, laptops, to more complex system like cloud computing and other artificial intelligence. Um, for example, is digital technologies karon. Example of digital technologies is like karon. Dali na ta maka-send og mga messages o gatong mga kailangan nga mga importante nga kung nasa ladyo atong mga pamilya na makasend tag dali. Example of smartphone mga gamit sa mga pag-send sa mga message like dahil sa una sa nga dugay pa kay mga letter. Marto sir. Thank you.
Social interactions. So first is online dating. So online dating apps like Tinder, Babo, and Occupied have transformed the way people met and form romantic relationships. So using dating apps like Tinder, Babo, and Occupied, mo ni siya ang paagi nga makakita ang usa ka tawo og romantic nga relationships. The next is virtual communities. Virtual communities, online forums, social media groups, and online gaming communities have created new spaces for socialization. So, virtual communities, a group of people who use technology para maka-interact to each other and form a relationships. So next is education. First is online learning. Online learning like e-learning platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and EDS have expanded access to education. So kaning sa una di ba kung kung tuduan ang mga bata is moadto lang sa katawo para mag-tutor sa usa ka bata, then karon using technology kanang pwede na ta maka-learn using sa mga apps like sa YouTube, pwede na ta mag-search o unsa atong gusto nga paminawan para maka-learn ta. Then next is virtual classroom. Video conferring tools have enabled remote learning, changing traditional classroom dynamics. So kaning virtual classrooms mo ni siya ang kanang na mga online class like kanang na kung mingon ang atong mga instructors nga kanang mag-online class sa topic kay mga reason na. So mo na ang sa virtual classroom. And that's all for my part of this activity report. Thank you.
Changes influenced by technology. First is communication. Second is information definition. In communication, there are two, which is social media revolution. It is social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram have changed the way people interact, share information, and form communities. The second is remote work. Video conferencing with tools like Zoom, Google Meet, and Skype have enabled remote work, altering traditional office dynamics. And the other one is information dissemination. First is democratization of information. The internet has made information accessible to everyone, reducing reliance on the traditional news sources. Two is fake news and misinformation. Social media platforms have enabled the spread of misinformation affecting public opinion and political discourse. My name is Jamel Bumuang, and this is my reflection about our topic. Digital technology has changed our lives by making it easier to connect with others, find information, and create new ideas. But it also causes problems like less privacy, overuse, and people feeling disconnected. To balance the good and bad, we should use technology responsibly and learn how to use it wisely. In my future career, technology will help me work faster and try new things. In my personal life, it will keep me connected to others, but I will make sure to take breaks and focus on real life experience too.
Good day, sir. I am Daniel Tumol. This is my reflection. The most significant impact is the transformation of communication and works of access in information, enabling greater connectivity and efficiency, but also raising concerns about privacy and social isolation. Number two is we can balance the benefits of technology by promoting digital literacy, implementing regulations to protect privacy, and encouraging responsible use while fostering innovations. Three is technology will likely increase automation and AI in the workplace. Requires adaptability of continuous learning while also enhancing personal life through convenience, connectivity, and access to resources.
Good day, sir. My name is Simar Pagaran Jr., and this is my reflection. First, the digital technology has had many significant impacts on our society, including communication, transportation, business, medical advancement, and others. Second, some ways to balance the benefits of technology while mitigating its drawbacks are set boundaries, be mindful, take breaks, exercise, protect privacy, and etc. The last one is technology is set to play a significant role in shaping my future, both professionally and personally. In my career, technology will be a driving force in increasing efficiency and expanding possibilities, advanced tools like AI and others. In my personal life, technology will continue to impact how I connect, learn, relax. Social media and communication platforms will make it easier to maintain relationships and network globally.
Are three questions about the short. So there are three questions about the short reflection. First is, what do you think is the most significant impact of digital technology on society today? So my answer is, digital technology has revolutionized communication, information access, and economic activity. Consider its impact on globalizations, social interactions, and political discourse. Then second question is, how can we balance the benefits of technology while mitigating its drawbacks? My answer is, balancing benefits and drawbacks requires a multi-pronged approach encompassing digital literacy initiatives, ethical guidelines, infrastructure investment, workforce retraining, media literacy programs, and responsible technological development and regulations. And the last question is, how do you see technology influencing your future career and personal life? So my answer is, technology is a powerful force that's rapidly shaping our world, and I believe it will play a significant role both in my future career and personal life. In my career, technology will enhance my ability to connect with people. Technology will be a powerful force for good in my future. It will enhance my capabilities, open up new opportunities, and ultimately help me contribute to a more connected and informed world.
Good day, sir. I am Crystal Filites, and this is my reflection. Digital technology has revolutionized information access and sharing, enabling more learning and idea exchange. We should use it wisely by taking breaks and being mindful of our online time. Prioritize in-person connection to foster real-life relationships. Think critically to identify fake news and bias. Protect our personal information with strong passwords, and maintain our health by managing screen time, getting enough sleep, exercising, and reducing stress. By following these steps, we can enjoy technology's advantages while avoiding its risks. Technology will be essential for my future, improving work efficiency and personal connection. But I'll need to learn new skills and manage my online time to maintain a healthy balance. I aim to use it wisely to enhance my life.
The most significant impact of digital on society today is transformation of how we connect, communicate, and access information. This impact manifests in several ways. Key ways: access to information. The internet provides unprecedented access to vast amounts of knowledge and sources. This democratization of information empowers individuals with education, professional growth, and awareness of global efforts. Balancing the benefits of technology while mitigating its drawbacks requires a thoughtful and multifaceted approach. Promote digital literacy, education people on how to use the technology responsibility and understand its potential risks. Encourage critical thinking into information sources to combat misinformation. Number 3, technology will undoubtedly play a significant role in shaping both careers and personal lives in the future. Automation and AI routine tasks will increasingly be automated, allow more focus on creative, strategic, and non-human centered aspects of work. Continuous learning of new technologies and tools will be essential to stay competitive.